Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Hibernate ORM 6.1 from its source code using Jenkins 2.375 and Gradle 7.6 without using any source code repository. That is, we are going to build the project in local directory itself. Okay, so here you can see this is the Hibernate ORM 6.1 source code. So I already downloaded from internet as a zip file. I have provided the download link in the description of this video. So before I building the project, let me show you a global tool configuration. See here, I already integrated Gradle. So Gradle with the Jenkins. So this is my Gradle installation. So and this is my JDK installations. So JDK 11 and JDK 17 I already integrated with Jenkins. Okay. Now let me create one new project. So I am giving some name to this project. Let it be some name like Hibernate 6.1. It will be a freestyle project. So I'm creating one freestyle project for this Gradle build. Okay. Now let us configure the project now. So I'm using JDK 11. Source code management I'm selecting none because I'm going to build the source code from local directory. Okay. Next. Now in build steps, go to build steps. Invoke Gradle script. So I am selecting the option invoke Gradle script. So it will ask for Gradle version, Gradle 7.6, and in task, just give build. That's it. Just give build. Okay. Apply and save it. So that's all. So now let me build this empty project. So this is the empty project. Okay, without source code. See here, one directory will be created. So this directory will be created under workspace directory of Jenkins. So copy this path. So I am going to extract the Hibernate 6.1 source code to this directory only. Let me extract the source code. Okay. Yeah, so extraction completed. Let me go to the workspace directory created by Jenkins. Hibernate 6.1. Okay. So this is the directory structure. And you can see the Gradle scripts are available in the Jenkins workspace folder. So make sure that all the Gradle scripts are present. Otherwise, the project will not work. Okay. See here, I am highlighting all the Gradle scripts. So all the Gradle scripts should be available. Okay. Now let us go to Jenkins back. So I already done the configuration. Let me click the link build now once again. So now what will happen? Jenkins will automatically pick up the Gradle scripts in the local directory and it will start building the source code which is extracted to the directory. See here, it automatically picked up. Yes, so and this build is successful. So make sure that you have internet connection in order to download the jar files and artifacts in order to compile the Hibernate source code. So these are the console output and left hand you can see that executed Gradle tasks. See here, lot of tasks are there. So these tasks are picked up from Gradle scripts. Okay, Gradle scripts in each module. Okay, each module have Gradle scripts, right? So these all these tasks are picked up from Gradle scripts available in each module. Okay, let me go to the project. So you can browse the output in workspace directory. So Hibernate jar is available under Hibernate core directory. So in the target directory, you can see that Hibernate core jar files will be available. See here, in target libs. Okay, in target libs directory, you can see Hibernate core jar files are available. So finally, we built Hibernate 6.1 ORM using Gradle 7.6 and Jenkins without using any source code repository. So we have built the source code from the local directory successfully.